Hi everyone, this is Liz Boyd, the Digital Services and Marketing Manager for Madison Public Library. I wanted to let you know that we've been making some changes to our website and walk you through how to find some of the most popular services on the refreshed homepage. Let's get started. The first thing that you may notice is that the big sidebar is gone in the new homepage. You'll see that we've streamlined the options and split them up into two navigational areas. The first is this top navigational bar, which includes things like your account. That's how you access LINKcat and LINKcat support. LINKcat is where you can browse our library collection for physical items. Think books, CDs, DVDs, vinyl records, and more. You can also use our search bar, which helps you search both within the website and within LINKcat, and you can toggle between those two options like so. LINKcat Help has answers for your frequently asked questions, as well as tips on how to place holds and search the catalog, update your communication preferences, and more. LINKcat Help is located right here. Our other items in this top navigation include links to get a library card, see our locations and hours, and support the library. Under Support the Library, you'll find information about volunteering, joining a Friends of the Library group, and learn more about Madison Public Library Foundation. Again, on the homepage, you'll see this main slider that's going through some of our latest news, programs, and announcements for Madison Public Library. This is where you'll see things like when we're having upcoming library closures, interesting programs that are happening right now, and other big initiatives that are going on. To the left of that is the other navigation with four main buttons: books, music, and film, resources and research, events and spaces, and partnerships and initiatives. Books, music, and films gives you a lot of different ways to engage with our collection. From book lists and guides to finding magazines, to upcoming movie nights, book discussions, or Wisconsin Book Festival events, this area of the website is your space to find out what's in our collection, get great recommendations, and connect with other readers, movie lovers, gamers, and more. So as you can see, this is where you could find Wisconsin Book Festival events, special collections, let you know about collections like our Too Good to Miss, our Serendipity collection for DVDs. You could sign up for email newsletters where you get the latest books that are added to our collection right in your inbox. And then you'll see so much more as you scroll down. At the bottom of this page, you can let us know if there's something missing from our collection by submitting a recommendation for purchase. And then I'll scroll back up, and you can also notice that instead of, again, the side navigation, we have this top navigation. So those four buttons stay at the top, and then there are sub buttons for things like our Mad Read reviews, book club kits, recommended lists, and specialized collections. So I'll take you back to the home page, and we'll head over to Resources and Research, which is where you'll find our online databases. So in here are popular tools like Consumer Reports, Ancestry Library, Newspaper Archive, Transparent Language, and the New York Times Online. All of them are available in this section of the website. You'll also find some great resources like our Business Hub, tax assistance, and more. You can search resource guides by topic to find our Business Hub. And then I'm going to do a shortcut and just go right to events and spaces from here. So this is where you'll find our calendar. I'll scroll down. So these are some featured events at the top. So you can click in here to find author talks, book discussions. This is for computer assistance or upcoming movie nights. But over here on the left is a filtered view of upcoming events over the next couple of days, or you can click into our event search, which will let you narrow down what you'd like to see from our calendar. So you can filter by age, location, or event topic, or you can just see our monthly calendar, which will again ask you to kind of filter a little bit. Additionally, on this page, you'll see a listing of different library spaces. So you can find study and meeting room information, information on our play spaces, how to rent space for meetings, conferences, weddings, access the Bubblers art and making spaces, and learn about computing and Wi-Fi. And at the bottom, you can submit an application for if you have an idea for a library program. And then I'll scroll back up to the top where we will navigate back to the home page. You can always click this icon at the top left to get back to the home page. And then we'll go to partnerships and initiatives. So this is a new page, which kind of puts together all of the places that we have specialty outreach and program series that really go beyond our regular event series. So you can learn more about our foundational partners, like the Madison Public Library Foundation, Wisconsin Book Festival, City of Madison, or you can learn more about specialty initiatives like the Bubbler, Day and Beyond, Naturalists in Residence, our Seed Library. Um, there's just a ton of information here. We also have some of our partners listed. We'll be adding more over the next couple of days, but we have Madison Reading Project, Go Big Read, which is a year-long partnership we have with the UW-Madison, as well as our Forward Madison Football Club partnership for We Read. We also can find information about Heritage Month celebrations that we do each year and resources related to those. And then I'll take you back to the home page once more, and I'll show you the rest of what's on there. So as you scroll a little bit more, you'll see some kind of timely information. So in our What's On tab, you can toggle back and forth between What's On and upcoming events. So upcoming events just shows you what's happening today in our libraries, and then you can click in to see kids events, teens events, or adult events. Under What's On, these are sort of sectioned out. So you can see kids and family things that are happening here. This will take you to that page. We're featuring story times right now. In the middle section, we are featuring art events. So currently we're looking at Tetra Pac-Man and what he's doing with his Doing Something residency in the Bubbler room. And then on the left, we're going to be featuring different author events or book discussions that are happening throughout the year. And right now we're featuring the Wisconsin Book Festival Spring lineup, which has some pretty amazing authors who are going to be coming. As we scroll down the page, you'll see some featured content that has been some of the most popular content on our web page, and we wanted to make it a little bit easier for people to find. So on the left, we have book lists. We have hundreds of book lists that are created by our librarians and feature books for every genre, every age. It's great to find new recommendations. And then, of course, our ebooks and audiobooks, which can be accessed through Libby. That's a wonderful collection for the Wisconsin's digital library. And then we have our library of things where you'll find all of the cool, unexpected items that you can check out from Madison Public Library. At the bottom of every page, you'll find these three icons. So if you need to get connected to services through the library, or you want to learn about computing and Wi-Fi, you can click this icon. Or if you have a question for one of our reference librarians, this is a shortcut to reach them and get your questions answered. Finally, we have this bottom navigation, and this is for sort of the nitty-gritty details. So you can get our About the Library section where you'll learn about our mission and vision and additional information like our annual reports. You can contact us, you can read our policies, sign up for email newsletters, read our impact stories about how we have had an impact in the community, and then also our careers page. So I wanted to thank you for taking a look at the updated web page. I hope that this is easier for you to navigate, and we're looking forward to your feedback. So please head over to madpl.org/website updates and let us know what you think of the new look. Thank you and have a good day.